end of the pandemic. Where do I see money going to and where can people take a shot? I think it's where people are still underinvested. Domestic sectors. We're still going into that rotation from technology, work from home, stay at home, into cyclical sectors, energy, industrials, financials. I see money continuing to go into those spaces, and I wouldn't hesitate to get exposure. You could use exchange traded funds. You never even hear anybody talk about international, but international is an important asset class. Eventually, we expect all of our asset classes in stocks to go up. International, small cap, mid cap, and large cap, to name four basics. But if they go up over, let's say, the next 15 years, they'll do it at different times. So some zig, some zag, and that helps moderate the volatility of your portfolio. So I like international. If you are not invested in international, or you're still hanging on to these work from home, stay at home stocks that are down 50, 60, 70% or more, you might want to consider making a switch into something different.